This is such an easy and satisfying meal. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making fried cabbage with sausage, onions, and peppers. Stay tuned. I enjoy a meal that you can make in one pot, only requires a few ingredients, I can have ready in 30 minutes, and is satisfying and delicious. This fried cabbage dinner fits that bill. I'm cooking the sausage first because I like the smoky flavor from the sausage to infuse in the oil, and then when I fry the onions and cabbage, they will pick up all that flavor. I'm using smoked turkey sausage, but you can use a sausage of your choice or even leave the meat out and keep it vegetarian. I cut the sausage into bite-sized pieces, and now I'm browning on medium heat in some butter and a little olive oil. This is only going to take a couple minutes, and then I'm removing the sausage from the pan. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little more butter and olive oil. In goes some diced onions and giving a little stir. Adding minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in my chopped cabbage and bell pepper. Cooking and stirring until combined. The cabbage will wilt and reduce in size as it cooks. Covering and cooking on low-medium for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cabbage is done. You want to cook the cabbage low and slow as you don't want the cabbage to burn. You want it to caramelize. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. Adding the sausage and juices back into the pan and giving it a good stir. It is that easy and we are ready to eat. You can serve this fried cabbage with almost anything. Tonight I'm serving with some potato and cheese pierogies. This is such an easy and comforting meal. Great on the budget, reheats well, and even tastes better the next day. I hope you give this fried cabbage, sausage, onion, and bell pepper dinner recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!